The following video is a combination of interviews with stakeholders concerning globalization and what the future might and can hold for education. These interviews are done with students at Riverwood Elementary School in Avery County. They are asked questions prior to giving a lesson about globalization and then asked a set of post questions as well.
We are live from Riverside Elementary School.
And I am Lisa Bell, and today I am with our 5th grade students, and we are going to discuss globalization. Does anyone here know what the word globalization means? How about you, Daniel? How about you, Courtney? Haley?
No.
Haley, take a good guess.
Something that goes on around the world.
Good guess. All right, well, this will be continued. We are back with our 5th grade students, and after a quick lesson on globalization, now I want to see and test what they've learned. Daniel, can you tell me anything about globalization?
Globalization is how the world is progressing.
All right, how about you, David?
It's how the world has changed.
Okay, so did you learn something? All right, good. How about you, Courtney?
How the world is advancing technology.
Wow, that's really good. How about you, Haley?
The trade.
The trading, okay. How about you, Ellie?
How the world's education is getting more advanced.
Wow. So those are the things that we learned today. Thank you, Miss Brittany.
This segment is a roundtable discussion with seniors at Avery High School on their impression of the future of education.
Like distance education, online college courses, open forums where students sit at home and you're in your pajamas maybe and you're still being able to interact with your professor by a computer. What do you think about that? Does anybody have any ideas?
I like it because like video chat and stuff like that, I think it'd be easier if you're at home and wouldn't have to go drive out 2 hours maybe to go to school just to have like one class and then come back. And you can just stay at home and video chat with your professor, get your notes, get what you're supposed to do, and just be done with it and be able to go along with your day and go to a job or something.
So it's more efficient maybe. You
Yeah.
can save time, you can save gas, you can save a lot
Gas,
of
money.
money. Absolutely. Yeah. Do you think you would learn more, or it would
It would
the
be the
classroom
same.
be the same?
I mean, you'd be in your home environment and understand and be comfortable where you're at, not sitting in a desk in class.
I think once you adapted to it, that you would get more used to online learning.
I would definitely have to adapt. I was never good at the online learning stuff. I can't focus sitting in front of a computer and have somebody teach me from the computer. I need that interaction. So it might not work for me, but I think the technology and everything is really moving forward. So I think more and more people are going to turn to the online schooling.
Do you foresee education going into more open forums here, like at the high school, to where you have bigger classrooms? So maybe not that 18,000, but maybe 100,
Yeah.
and you're in the auditorium and everybody is in there at one time, and it's just a big open forum with a lot of small group collaboration. You think? Do you see that?
I definitely see that because even in our small classrooms, I mean, we may have 20, 25 students, but we always get broke up into smaller groups within those classes.
And do you like that?
I prefer it. I mean,
Do
if
you
I had-
learn more?
I think so. And the one thing is, like, if you don't understand it and you're asking one of your peers, if they can explain it to you in ways you can understand sometimes better than the teacher can. So,
Absolutely. I believe students learn more from other students sometimes than I actually do the instructor. And I've been in that situation before where I had to ask my friend, what did you say? You know, what did you say? You know, and they explained it to me, and I understood them better than I did my professor. So yes, I do believe that small group instruction and collaboration is a wonderful.
The next segment is an interview with an ITF from Buncombe County.
All right, I'm joined today by Jane Hood. She is the Buncombe County Schools Instructional Technology Facilitator. And I'm going to ask her a couple of questions about her job in general and the future of education. No pressure here. So what is the role of the technology facilitator in education or the educational environment today?
Technology facilitators are huge resources to teachers. They do staff development, assist with students using technology in the classroom. The teacher has to look at the curriculum, see where the technology will fit in, just like any other tool, any other resource, manipulative, art project, whatever, and decide where the blending environment happens and use a tool that fits with whatever curriculum you're doing. It's an exciting, engaging aspect that kids are ready for, they want, they need, and I am just the one that helps facilitate that process.
Great, thanks. So what technology initiatives are a high priority at this time for technology facilitators?
For Buncombe County Schools in
Sure.
particular?
Yes. We'll say that.
With the implementation of the iPads that came with M-Class, teachers are using those in the classroom. Several districts have sets of iPads where they're using the apps, integrating those into the classroom. We have transformed our labs into digital teaching and learning labs where students can go do projects, courses in internet safety, use all kinds of Web 2.0 tools, seamless integration. That's what we're working on. And we will eventually get to an iPad or a tablet one-on-one initiative. That would be a huge push for Buncombe County Schools. Just all those different little tools.
That's right. That's great. So what, along with that, with the one-to-one initiative that's hopefully coming up, what skills or technology competencies do you think students need to harness to be prepared for the 21st century, for college, for the 21st century job market?
I think students need to know where to get answers, how to solve problems, how to present themselves in a 21st century manner, whether that means blogging, whether that means using Edmodo, connecting Facebook, LinkedIn. They need to use the resources they have to solve the problems that they encounter every day. We're training kids, as you heard, for jobs that don't exist. We're going to bring coding into the schools in December and have kids learn how to code from kindergarten through 12th grade. So it's just jobs that we don't even know exist, so we just want to give them the tools to help solve whatever problems they have.
Wow, that's exciting. And so how do you feel Buncombe County, our school district, is doing to prepare our students for these skills?
We're moving along. We're not where we probably should be, being as large of a district as we are. That has its advantages and disadvantages. We do not have funding for a one-to-one initiative. We've implemented a BYOD, so I would still put us right in the middle. We're not doing as well as some districts that have more money and more facilitators. That's where we're lacking also. But we're not as far back as a lot of other districts are. So I would put us right in the middle.
Okay. Well, great. Well, I want to thank you a lot for your time, and I'm really looking forward to your presentation that's going to happen in a couple minutes on BYOD. And I hope everybody here at the meeting supports this initiative as much as I do. And I thank you again. I'll get the handshake on film, too.
The following is a short portion of film from a global weather project. There are 2 elementary schools involved. The first one is in Buncombe County, North Carolina, and the second is in Honolulu, Hawaii. The students are working to gather information and data and sharing that data about their local weather patterns, and also they're tracking global weather patterns. In the future, we hope to add a school in the UK to gather data as well in this project.
Coco.